Hola, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to take your summer beer drinking experience to the next level by showing you how to make a perfect Mexican beer cocktail, the Chelada. Now, you can do this with just a few simple ingredients. All we've got here is our Mexican lager. We're using Modelo here today. Then we've got our limes, we've got tahini. You can use salt, which is the traditional way, but we're gonna take it even a little bit further here. We've got our bowl of ice. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take that bowl of ice and you're gonna get rid of it. Because la cerveza se toma sin hielo. The beer is drunk without ice. That's what they'll tell you in Mexico. That's what we're gonna do today. Okay, step 2, take your lime. You're gonna cut that open, okay? You're gonna make yourself a nice little lime wedge. You're gonna give yourself just a little cut in that lime wedge, and you're going to just take it around the rim of the glass. That's what we're gonna use to get the seasoning to stick to our glass. You're gonna take your plate, take the seasoning that you're gonna use. Now, again, you can use coarse salt. We're gonna use tahini today just to go a little bit further here. Take our glass and we're going to go ahead and just roll the outside of the glass in the tahini. Make sure that we get the outside nice and coated. Give it that nice flavor with every sip we take. Okay, just like that. Now, we're gonna take the other half of our lime. We're gonna open up our juicer. Put it in open side down. Remember, you want to try to turn this lime inside out. We're going to squeeze our lime juice into the glass first. Now, you can use however much lime juice you want. If you want to go a little bit more, a little bolder, go right ahead. I think we will too. We'll take that extra squeeze there. All right. Make that nice and limey. Next, we're going to open up our beer. We've got Modelo Especial here. This is probably one of the more traditional Chelada beers, but any Mexican lager will do. I'm gonna pour it right in on top of that lime. Make a nice, pretty drink here. And there you have it. That, my friends, is a perfect Chelada that's gonna really make your beer drinking experience in the summer all the better and just a little bit more citrusy and refreshing. I hope you enjoy. Cheers. If you want to find more fun beer-related content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Enjoy. Happy summer. Oh, that's good.